The reverse puff adds a lively detail to your suit ensemble. It gives you a vibrant flourish of peaks in your pocket to make you look like the most exciting guy in the room. Even if that isn't true, just go with it. Now, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Lay your pocket square face up. Pinch your pocket square in the center of the fabric and lift up. As you elevate it, run the other hand down the length of the fabric with 2 fingers. Stop 3/4 of the way down. Turn it around. Fold the bottom section up to the back. Place it in your pocket. Well done, my friend. You've just mastered the reverse puff. Feel free to wear it for a quick go-to look when you're running short for time. For our full range of pocket squares, check out OTAA.com. Now hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.